Okay, this is quick video number 3. We're going to give this an operational check and go over the placement of the new frequency counter and the channel readout just mounting. Okay, this is our Frankenstein radio using the Penney Base Station. We've installed a Cobra 148 in there, extended the switches, etc. as talked about earlier. You can kind of see it's all wired up there. Let's give this guy a shot. We're going to turn her on. Heard some skip rolling in here, but this guy's just hooked up to a little antenna on my test bench here. Alright, we rewired the microphone. So it is now part of the 148 chassis. Check, 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 audio check. Check, 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 audio check. There you go. Alright, so this seems to be working really good. We now have the A&L noise blanker on there, a little dimmer, and a tone switch. Alright, so we're going to come over here and look at the challenges of doing the faceplate. Alright, these faceplates are really just a faux faceplate, so they come right off, but that means nothing is really mounted to this. I always take them off and clean them up, polish them up, and make them look as good as I can. Look at that. It's got that nice sparkle in there. Okay, now this is where some of the magic happens. This particular radio uses kind of on the small side meters, and they're upside down, so that kind of limits me to using these meters and their color scheme. But over here I've taken out the old clock, the digital clock they put on these, and I've installed a frequency counter. Yeah, I got some tape on there, but what you see I've done on these is I've put in a piece of smoked glass, plastic glass on there. This smoked glass is going to help keep this thing looking like it's stock, like it was designed this way. So what's going to happen is this faceplate's going to fit over here just like so, and that frequency counter is going to come right through that window, and this thing's going to look really sharp. What do you think? Hope you liked the video. 73s.